Bhujangasana or cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, legs extended, palm under your shoulder. Inhale and press palms and lift your chest upward. Arch your back gently, keeping elbows slightly bent, and hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Exhale and return to the starting position. Benefits of Bhujangasana or cobra pose. It strengthens your spine and back muscles, and it improves flexibility and posture and open chest and shoulder, and it relieves stress and fatigue and also reduce lower back pain Utthanpadasana or raised leg pose. Lie flat on your back, arms beside your body, palms facing down, and then inhale and lift both legs together to a 30 to 45 degree angle. Keep legs straight and toes pointed upward. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds and breathing normally. Exhale and slowly lower your legs back to the ground. Pawanmuktasana or wind relieving pose. Steps. Lie flat on your back, legs extended, arms by your side. Inhale and bend one and then both knees, bringing them toward your chest. Arms around your knees, clasping your hands. Exhale, lift your head and chest, bringing your nose towards your knees. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds and breathing normally. Then inhale and lower your head and legs back to the ground. Benefits of Pawanmuktasana or wind relieving pose. It relieves gas and bloating, improves digestion and stimulate abdominal organs, and strengthens lower back and abdominal muscles, reduce tension in your lower back, and enhances blood circulation.